I am so excited about all the delicious food we are going to have at our class potluck. I am feeling very lucky to get to try everything. Now we need to decide how to decorate for the party.
I think we should make sure we have a big table for just the desserts.
Yes, Grit, I agree. There definitely needs to be a good spot for all these desserts. What else do we need, class?
I think we should have decorations, Mrs. K.
I found a fall tablecloth and thought you might want it for the potluck.
Coach, can I use it? I think we could add it to the big table so that everyone has a special place for their food.
Great, I like that idea.
We can all make fall leaves to put on the tables and our classroom door.
Oh, Mrs. K, I can make a map showing the origins of each dish to celebrate all the different cultures and cuisines.
Wow, class! I am just so impressed with everyone using their creativity and working together. I notice everyone being so respectful to each other and accepting all the different types of food we are going to have. This is going to be the best potluck ever.
Rainbow breathing. Find a quiet place to stand or sit, making sure you have room to reach your arms out to either side. Make your back nice and tall. Starting with your hands down by your side, breathe in through your nose as you slowly raise your arms up. 1, 2, 3. Until they are straight over your head. As you lower your arms, let your breath push out of your mouth slowly. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe in through your nose as you bring your arms back up. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out as you bring your arms down. 1, 2, 3. This last time, challenge yourself to make it all the way to 5. Breathe in while you raise your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your mind is ready for learning.